I came across this channel that has gained 43,000 subscribers with just 6 videos. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to start a channel like this with 100% free tools. If you have noticed, the duration of every video is around 2 minutes, so creating a video for such a channel is super easy. According to the Social Blade, they are making around 250 to 3,000 a month with these 6 videos. This niche is low competition and it is easily scalable. They are making a huge amounts of money with this strategy, and today I'm going to teach you their exact strategy so that you can get started today. Plus, I'm not going to use any paid tools for this process. Let's start first. You need to select a unique color theme for your channel. This is very important because by doing this, your channel is going to stand out more like a brand. This channel uses light red. I'm going to select yellow as the color theme. You can choose any color theme that you like, it just needs to stand out more. You can use the ChatGPT free version for the name and description. Just use these 2 prompts for that. The name I came up with was ThriveX. Now I'm going to use the Canva to create a logo and a banner for this channel. This logo is going to be a very simple text-based logo. First, you need to select this custom size option and insert 2000 pixels as width and 2000 pixels as height. After that, you will have this square-shaped dashboard, which is going to be our logo. Now I'm going to go to this upload and upload the yellow color image that because I need to use that exact color now, go to elements and drag this square shape to the dashboard. After that, let's add a text layer and I'm going to rename it to the channel's name. And you can select a unique font for this text. Let's make it black to stand out more now. Just for fun, I'm going to add this square shape to make it a little bit unique. You can make any adjustment you prefer, but I would say keep it simple and minimalist. After that, click the share button and you can download the logo. Now let's make the banner image as well. Now for the banner image, you need to insert 2,560 pixels as width and 1,440 pixels as height. This is going to be really simple and minimalistic banner. I'm going to add shape to the dashboard and make it bigger to fit the surface area. Let's make it yellow, and let's add a text layer as well. I'm going to type a simple slogan, like "Be the best version." Let's make the text black, and make sure to select the same font that you selected for the logo. Now make sure to place this text in the middle and make it a little bit smaller so that it can be clearly visible from any device once you upload it to your channel. And that's all with that banner creation is done. Now let's move on to the channel creation process. This is the channel I have already uploaded the logo and banner, as well as you can see here the logo and banner fit perfectly. Now you need to add tags for this website. You can use this website called Rapid Tags to generate the necessary tags for your channel. All you need to do is enter the main keywords for your niche. In this case, it's going to be motivational and self-improvement. Then you can copy these tags and go back to your channel, select settings, and then go to the channel option and paste the keywords, and that's all the channel optimization process is done. Now let's move on to the content creation first. You need to have video ideas. Videos ideas should be unique that will catch the viewer's attention and click your video. So let's head to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I came up with a highly detailed, unique prompt to generate video ideas for this specific niche. All you need to do is copy this prompt and enter the number of video ideas you want, and ChatGPT will generate that number of topics for your new channel. So I generated 5 video ideas for this niche. If you are still watching this video, you are better than most people. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps the channel grow. So let's move on to the next step, which is generating the script. Now let me show you how to create a video script for these topics after carefully analyzing more than 10 videos that our competitors are posting. And I found a unique prompt to generate a 10 times better script than those. The topic I'm going to do first is, you're not burnt out, you're just addicted to comfort. Let's insert the topic here and generate the script. As you can see here, we have an amazing video script for our first video. If you read this carefully, it starts with a good hook, and throughout the whole script, they have managed to keep the excitement. Now we need to convert this to AI voiceovers. I use Elevenlabs, or you can use any AI voiceover. You will get 10,000 free credits every month. You can create at least 15 videos a month with these free credits. Once you go to Elevenlabs, make sure to select a good voice that doesn't consume double credits, so you have to avoid those. I'm going to go with this voice called Adam. It's deep and energetic, perfect for our niche. Now let's copy the script to this dashboard and generate the voiceovers. Once you complete all the voiceovers, keep them in a folder. We're going to use those later. Now let's move on to the visuals. You have probably seen some of these videos that use clips from movies, but the problem is, can we actually use those without copyrights? Yes, you can, but there is a way to use those clips. If you look at this video, within the first 3 seconds, they have used 3 scenes from 3 different shows. So basically, you can use movie clips, but the duration should be 1 to 2 seconds maximum. According to YouTube community guidelines, there are 3 main conditions you need to follow. Number 1, You can only use a relatively small part of the original content, as I mentioned earlier, only to use 1 to 2 second parts. Number 2, you need to modify that part by adding sound effects and removing original sounds. Number 3, these contents should not be similar to the original video. If you follow these 3 conditions, you are set to go. So as for the visuals, I'm going to combine stock videos and some movie clips. You can download movie clips from this website called yarn.com. You just need to search the term and it will provide you with suitable clips. And for the stock videos, you can use the Pixels or the Vectisy website, download all the necessary clips you need, and let's start the editing process. For the editing process, I'm using the CapCut. First, you need to open a new project. Go to this Modify option and select the 16:9 ratio as the video size. Now import all the material you gathered for the visuals, including voiceover files. Now you need to add voiceover files to the timeline and add suitable video clips to the matching place. This process might take several minutes to complete. As you can see here, I have added all the clips to the timeline. Now we need to give this video a unique color theme. Our signature color is yellow. So let's go to this adjustment layer and add a custom adjustment layer. Like this, you can expand this to fit the whole timeline. Now you can edit the color tone of the video using these bars. Play with these and make sure to match it with your channel's color theme. After that, go to this text option and select auto caption. With this option, you can generate captions for this whole video. Now you need to edit these captions layer by layer in a different style. Spend your time on this process and complete the captions. Once you are done with that process, all you need to do is export your video to your computer, and let's take a look at the final output.
You're not burnt out. You're just soft, addicted to ease, obsessed with feeling okay all the time. Don't click away, because this might be the most uncomfortable truth you'll hear all week. And yeah, it's supposed to sting.
Now that looks amazing. Final step is creating the thumbnail. Let me show you how to create a unique thumbnail for these videos using Canva. First, you need to make a custom design with a 1920 pixels width and 1080 pixels height. Now, just like we did before, add a shape layer to the dashboard and change it to this yellow color. You can add the title of your videos like this by adding a text layer. Now I'm going to search for silhouette figures of a man in these elements and add some of those to the timeline. Play around with your thumbnail, and once you are satisfied, download it to your computer, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and comment down below which topic you would like to see next.